Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to just kind of give you a quick overview of the OLM taillights for this Mark V Supra. This is Brian's car. He's been a customer since the beginning of time, since he has had his car and since the Supra has came out. So as you guys see here, we're in the halfway through the install. I just want to point out it's a little intense for the install. You do need to remove the bumper to remove these taillights. There's 3 bolts here. There's one here, here, and here, and the taillight will just not remove. We've talked about this in some of our other videos, but this one's even more intense because there's extra wiring involved that goes across from side to side, and then we have to actually come around the back and in through the car and tap into the brake light here. So they give you this extra wire to tap in. So just want to kind of point that out, let you guys know that it's a little bit of work. It's going to take you guys 3 hours or so to get these taillights installed. I recommend taking it to a professional shop that's familiar with working on BMWs and cars, because all the tabs and stuff like that are very unique to these Supras. These are super cool, a little bit more difficult to install because we have to go from a 3-wire, which is the USM spec taillight. We talked about it with the Valenti brand taillights. We have to convert it to a 4-wire, and OLM has done that for us. We have to go in and go into this corner over here and actually hook up an extra brake light, as well as we have to tap into the reverse light. These are going to be reverse light, and you're going to have blinkers coming through here, and you have the full parking light and brake function of the taillights themselves. Let me know what you guys think of this look. I kind of mentioned it in my other video. I'm not sure how I feel about this. The factory taillights are pretty cool to begin with on this car, and these are just a little different look, you know? Let me know what you guys think. All right guys, so I'm gonna kind of go over the features and functions of these taillights. This is the opening sequence, so when you turn the car on, these are the parking lights. They'll just have a little opening sequence, a little fade, and then if we hit any of the turn signals or the hazards, the blinkers are gonna actually come on, as you can see there. Pretty super cool. And like I mentioned earlier, these are going to light up white with the reverse. So you're going to have that factory, and then you're going to have 2 white reverse lights there. And then you have the brake, which is just going to be an emphasized version of the circles themselves. So let me know what you guys think. They're really bright, they're really crisp, they're clean. The product is a good quality product. They're a pretty cool smoked look, and they will turn heads for sure, you know. So let me know your guys' opinion. I have my opinions. I want to see what you guys are. Please put a comment down below. Let me know what you guys think of these, and see you guys on the next video.